Hello students, you are all familiar with me. I will be teaching you paper 7th, which is Chemistry of Natural Products. Today we will start with unit 1st, which is terpenoids. We will touch upon the following points in terpenoids: introduction, definition, isoprene rule and classification. First, the introduction. Terpenoids form a group of naturally occurring compounds, majority of which occur in plants, and a few of them have also been obtained from other sources. They are volatile substances which constitutes one of the most important groups of essential oils. These essential oils are obtained from the sap and tissues of plants and trees. Due to their pleasant odor, they are of commercial importance, particularly in perfumery industry. Coming on to the definition of terpenoids, as the name suggests, terpene. The term terpene represents a class of hydrocarbons which are obtained from turpentine oil and other essential oils. And the suffix oids, it represents the oxygenated derivatives of these hydrocarbons. So terpenoids are hydrocarbons of the general formula C5H8N as well as their oxygenated derivatives like alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, etc. Next we come to the structural feature of terpenoids. The most important structural feature of terpenoid is the presence of monomer unit isoprene. Its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट है जो सभी टर्पेनॉइड्स में प्रेजेंट है वो है आइसोप्रीन और उसका IUPAC नेम है 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. The left hand side, which represents the branched end, it is considered as head. जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर है जो ब्रांच्ड एंड है उसे हम हेड कहते हैं एंड टू द राइट हैंड साइड जो कि आपका ब्रांच्ड नहीं है दैट इज नोन एज द टेल. द राइट हैंड साइड इज नोन एज द टेल. The first important rule representing the structure is the isoprene rule. This isoprene rule was proposed by Wolek in the year 1887 and it states that the skeletal structures of all terpenoids are built up of isoprene units or 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. जो फर्स्ट रूल है जो इम्पॉर्टेंट रूल है टर्पेनॉइड्स का वो प्रपोज किया था साइंटिस्ट वॉलक ने इन द ईयर 1887 और वो ये बताता है कि सभी टर्पेनॉइड्स में जो एक मोनोमर यूनिट है कॉमन है उसे हम आइसोप्रीन यूनिट कहते हैं और उसका IUPAC नेम है 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. The isoprene rule is derived from the following facts. First, the empirical formula of almost all the terpenoids is C5H8. लगभग सभी terpenoids का empirical formula है C5H8. The second point is the thermal decomposition of all the terpenoids gives isoprene as one of the products. For example, destructive distillation of rubber yields isoprene as the product. The isoprene rule has been confirmed by the following facts. The first fact is on heating isoprene to about 280 degrees centigrade, it dimerizes into dipentene and its formula is C10 H16. And the second fact is, on polymerization, the monomer isoprene yields polyterponite, which is a rubber-like product. The second important rule of the terpenoids is known as spatial isoprene rule, and it represents or gives information about how the structural units or the isoprene units are joined in terpenoids. This rule was proposed by Ingold in the year 1925. According to this rule, the isoprene units in terpenoids are joined with head-to-tail linkage or 1,4 linkage. As you can see, the left hand side or the branched end of isoprene is known as the head, and the right hand side of the or unbranched end is known as the tail, and the two isoprene units are joined together with head-to-tail linkage, as you can see. Violation of isoprene rule or the limitations of isoprene rule. The first limitation is carbon content of certain terpenoids are not a multiple of 5. As you can see, the isoprene unit or the monomer is represented by C5H8. So the number of carbon atoms is C5. So when they are joined together, they will join together, or the number of carbon atoms will be a multiple of 5. But there are some limitations. As for example, in krypton, it contains, as you can see, it contains 9 carbon atoms, and so it cannot be divided into 2 isoprene units. For proper division, we need 10 carbon atoms. The second limitation is, in certain terpenoids, the spatial isoprene rule is violated. As for example, levantulol, it is composed of 2 isoprene units, and you can see the linkage is not 1 or 4, but it is linked through C3 and C4 carbon atom. That means tail to tail arrangement or tail to tail linkage is represented in levantulol. That is 3 to 4 linkage. Means the special isoprene rule is not followed in case of levantulol.